Yes, I want to quickly please, if you are mining Memify, huh, this Memify, if you are mining Memify, I want to let you know that their airdrop date, their listing date is almost at the corner. Now, there are some certain things that you need to understand before their airdrop so that you won't miss out on this their program. Now, if you know that you are mining Memify and you are using VPN, please better stop it. Okay, you need to stop it because there is a very quick information on their Telegram message, which I will encourage every one of you to always go and read their messages, their platform messages, either their Twitter, either their Telegram messages, or their platforms. If you know you are using VPN, please be very careful. That is what I want to say. Be very careful. And another thing is for you to still to still be among the snapshots, and if you are having issues with that, they quickly drop an update that you need to go to the settings. All right, under the settings you will see uh, data stuff there which you need to enable. So that is what you need to do. You just need to go and enable it, then you are good to go. Because if you didn't enable it, it will be difficult for them to get to you. All right, it will be difficult for them to get to you. And please be very careful of using VPN. Please, if you know you are mining Memify, and if you know that you haven't connect your wallet, please go and connect your wallet. All right, go and connect your wallet, and you will see a lot of details where a lot of tasks where you can be able to earn more coins. All right, when you go to their tax section and you see a lot of YouTube videos. Okay, you don't need to watch it till the end. Just watch little bit of it, then go back. Then you see that the time will be counting. So when that time stops, it's just for you to claim your coins. Then you go to the next one. So that is where you need to claim a lot of coins. All right, that is where you need to claim a lot of coins. And when you go to that spin where they do spin, if you want your spin to be fast, there is a place where you can just, before that spin, there is one spin that they write this times one. So when you click on it, you will see that it will increase to times 5, times 10, times 20, times 100. So it depends the number at which you put it. So immediately you spin, your spin will double. All right, it will spin fast than the one that you will just click and hold, and before you know it will take time. Because why? Is on times one. So you need to double that spin, you need to double it so that it's going to spin fast. So one thing I want to let you know is Memify, their airdrop will be coming up October 9. All right, October 9, that is when their airdrop will be coming up. So if you know that you haven't connect your wallet, you haven't done the necessary things, please go and do that. And one thing I really love about Memify is this: before their airdrop, a lot of people are already making money. A lot of people are already making money through which through which that same spin, right? So when you are qualified, so when you get to C16, when you are qualified, then you are good to go. When your number is out, you'll be so lucky that you can earn as much as like $3,000, some $5,000. You can be lucky. So When you are lucky, you are good to go even before the airdrop. So I will encourage every one of you, try and do these things. So one other thing I keep on saying it, please, when you see that your connection is not going, just go out. Next time, try it again. Don't use VPN. I'm warning those that are doing memify. Don't, if you are, most especially if you are in Africa or if you are in Nigeria and you are having issues, please don't use VPN so that it won't affect you at the end. Because a lot of this airdrop, um, when your country is not eligible, don't force yourself to do what you didn't supposed to do. All right, they will classify you as maybe you are doing cheat, you are, so don't do that. All right, so aside aside from the VPN, anytime you enter it will still come up. Then why using VPN? Why using VPN that will affect you? Please don't use VPN. And please quickly go and connect your wallet so that you can be eligible for the airdrop. Please, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe, comment, and like. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much.